Here's a quick guide on how to add team members to Slickplan projects, adding existing users while creating a project. Click the Team Member search field. Select the desired user from the list of existing users. Adding new users, click the Team Member search field. Select the Create New User option. Fill in the user's name and email address, then click the Add button. Adding users to an existing project. Open the project you want to add users to and open its settings. Switch to the Team Members tab. Select the desired user from the list of existing users. Click the Save button. Adding users to multiple projects at once. Check the boxes next to each project you want to add users to. Click the Assign button. Select the desired users from the list. Click the Add button. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.